ladies, we are getting tremendous response from all of you. We love you so much and thank you so much for your love, support and affection towards our brand Kalamandir. As you all know, Kalamandir sarees are very genuine in prices and we never ever compromise with our quality. And purchasing procedure with Kalamandir is so simple now. In the video description, we are providing links to every saree that I am showcasing in this episode. All you have to do is a simple click on your favorite saree code. It will direct to our website. From there, you can shop very easily. COD, that is cash on delivery option, is also available in India and shipping is free all over the India. International shipping is also available. For more details on international shipping, contact us on 8926760760. And I'm super excited. Today I'm going to show you the beautiful and awesome Banarasi fancy printed sarees. Let's begin our show. There are more beautiful colors and vibrant designs are waiting for us in this collection. Let me start with the saree I'm wearing. Here the saree is in sea green color, all over body. Nicely printed florals and peacocks, and this cloth is netted one, easily foldable. Very nice, ladies. And the border is small jute border. See, this is so nice. And the pallu is plain one jute. We got a nice jute printed blouse for this saree. This beautiful saree cost is 3,100. After discount, it is 2,170 rupees. Let's see next saree. This Banarasi silk saree is in a combination of peach and orange color. See, all over the body, nicely printed florals and birds, and self florals are also there, which is giving very grand look to the saree. And the border is medium one, contrast with zari, florals and peacocks. Beautiful design, ladies. And the pallu is contrast with golden zari, peacock and florals. We got a nice pallu for this saree, which is elevating total look of the saree, and nice finishing with tassels. We got a nice contrast brocade blouse on this saree. This saree cost is 3,400. After discount, it is 2,380 rupees. To purchase this saree, click on the saree code given in the description. It will direct to our website. From there, you can shop very easily. Please be notified that COD, that is cash on delivery option, is also available within India and shipping is free all over the India. Next saree. Wow! This Banarasi silk saree color is so different. Light blue color, all over body, nice floral print and silver zari florals are also there. Fabric is so soft, ladies, very comfortable to wear. And the border is medium one, contrast, silver zari florals in a circle. And we got a nice pallu, contrast one with floral, circle jal and beautiful tassels. We got a nice contrast brocade blouse. This beautiful saree cost is 3,000. After discount, it is 2,100. To purchase this saree, click on the saree code given in the description. It will direct to our website and makes your shopping very easy. For more collections and updates, do follow us on Instagram, YouTube and Facebook. Next saree. One more different combination from Banarasi silk saree. That is brown and yellow color. See, all over the body, there is nicely printed florals and with silver zari florals, and fabric is so soft, very comfortable. And the border is medium one with silver zari florals and circles. And the pallu is contrast with floral circle zal and nice finishing with tassels. Here is the contrast brocade blouse. This beautiful saree cost is 3,000. After discount, it is 2,100. To purchase this saree, click on the saree code given in the description. It will direct to our website and makes your shopping very easy. While purchasing, if you are facing any issues, drop a message on our WhatsApp number 8926760760. Our customer support team will get back to you and resolve all your issues. Next saree. Here is the beautiful pink color Banarasi silk saree. See, all over body, nicely printed florals and birds are there. With silver zari, floral beauties are there. Actually, this color is so radiant. And the border is medium one, contrast with golden zari, florals and peacocks, nicely embedded. And we got a nice pallu, contrast with golden zari, peacocks and florals, and nice finishing with tassels. And blouse is so grand, ladies, contrast brocade one. This beautiful saree cost is 3,400. After discount, it is 2,380 rupees. And ladies, purchasing procedure is so simple. Click on the saree code. It will direct our website. From there you can shop very easily. Every step is self-explanatory. COD, that is cash on delivery option, is available and shipping is free all over the India. Next saree. One more color in the same design, that is light green. See, all over body, floral prints with birds, and the border is medium one with golden zari, florals and peacocks, and the pallu is contrast, nice pallu with florals and peacocks and nice finishing with tassels as well. And the blouse is contrast one, brocade. This beautiful saree cost is 3,400. After discount it is 2,380 rupees. To purchase this saree, procedure is same. Click on the saree code. It will direct to our website. From there you can shop very easily. We are continuously updating our collections in the WhatsApp group as well. To join our WhatsApp group, click on the WhatsApp link given in the description so that you will never miss out our latest updates. Next saree. One more pretty Benares fancy saree which is in beige and green color combination. See, all over the body, nicely printed florals with peacocks and with silver zari also, checks and peacocks given. Design is so different, ladies. And the border is medium one with silver zari, florals, peacocks and elephant and nicely embedded paisleys. And the pallu is very grand with silver zari, diamonds, florals, peacocks, paisleys and elephants, and also nice finishing with tassels. And the blouse is contrast one with nice silver weaving. This beautiful saree cost is 3,000. After discount it is 2,100. And ladies, please be notified that international shipping is also available. For shipping details, contact us on 8926760760. Next saree. One more beautiful combination from the previous pattern, that is pink and yellow color. Let's see overall look of this saree. And the price is 3,000. After discount it is 2,100. And ladies, while purchasing, if you are facing any issues, drop a message on our WhatsApp number 8926760760. Our customer support team will get back to you. Next saree. Here is the beautiful Banarasi jute printed saree which is in beige color, and all over body, see, nicely printed florals and leaves, and the border is medium one jute border. And we got a nice plain pallu which is so simple. We got a nice printed blouse and the cost is 3,100. After discount it is 2,170 rupees. To purchase all these sarees, click on the saree codes given in the description. It will direct our website. From there you can shop very easily. Hurry up, ladies, prices are very reasonable, and that too Kalamandir is giving 30% of discount. COD, that is cash on delivery option, is also available and shipping is free all over the India. Hope you all liked today's beautiful and awesome Banarasi fancy printed sarees. There is one more beautiful saree waiting beside me. Just have a look on that. Here is our favorite Banarasi soft silk sarees, and I have few more colors, cream and maroon color, and see this combination, green and purple color, and one more color. This collection we would like to wear on our special occasions. And ladies, Banarasi soft silk saree collection, fabric is so comfort and very soft to wear, and there are a lot more colors available in the same collection that I am going to showcase in the next episode. Have a great shopping experience with Kalamandir. Until then, keep smiling. Bye-bye.